how to push your code into the GitHub. For that, you have to go into your GitHub repository, GitHub account. In that repository, in that you have to create a new repository to push the code. So I'm creating a new repository. Uh, while creating whatever name you can give, I am giving here the JS, and you can give the description, which is this is the JavaScript learning. Then the repository should be public or private. Uh, if you want, you can put it to private. If you want, you can put it to public. It's depend upon you. Then I'm creating a create repository. This way you have to create a repository. Then you have to open your VS Code. Uh, I want to push these files to the GitHub repository. That's why I have to follow these steps. The steps that you have to first initialize the repository. The initialize git. I am git init. This will init the repository. You can this is an untracked file. You means untracked file. Then you have to add it. Git add dot. If all files are added, then you have to commit it. Git commit -m, and you have to add a message. You can give message annually, uh, preferably give a meaningful message. I'm giving uploading JS files here. Here, as you can see that I have given. You have to set the remote origin. For that, I'm going here and set git remote add origin. Then you have to paste that link as a origin. This origin works like I have to put the code in this repository, this JS dot folder. Then you have to git, git then it will be, yeah, this will upload your code to the GitHub. Let's see the code has pinned or not. Yes, finally you can see that our code has finally uploaded to the GitHub. If you want, you can add it via add files. You have create upload files. You can add, but uh, if you have bunch of files, like you have 30 files, 40 files, it cannot be